Alright, guys. Hey, this is Kenny with ChicTech. Hola, chicos y chicas. I'm here because I have a iPhone 13 that was brought in and does not turn on. So we're gonna check what is going on. So yes, it's been a while, but I'm here. I'm still here. I'm still doing this thing. So yeah, let's not waste any more of you guys' time and let's see what is going on with this iPhone 13. All right. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna go through the basics. And excuse my, you know, this was just a quick setup, so whatever. Anyways, so this is an iPhone 13 and it's not turning on. So first of all, we're gonna see what's behind this screen protector to see if there's any damage, but there's damage in the back. This is what the back looks like. Okay, so first let's remove the screen protector.
The screen protector. Let's see what's under there. I like to clean up phones when I get them. Just because, I wear gloves, but
either way. So we're gonna go through the basics before we even try to open the phone up. Okay. Okay, that's the screen protector. Cool. All right, that's out. Now let's clean it. Let me grab another one just in case there was any glass. Okay, so looks like there's no cracks on the glass. So see, that's how it looks with the screen protector off.
There's no cracks. There's no signs, like even in the on the light, that there's any damage on the inside. But I could be wrong. But it was brought in because it wouldn't turn on. So
now let's go to the next step. And
sharp, so I'm trying to be careful.
thank you, ma'am. I appreciate you. That's what tools are. They're sharp. Sharp.
Don't ask me ever again, because I could cut myself.
That's why you be careful. That's why you big girl.
That's all you fault because you asked me.
Okay, so let's see if there's any that I feel, if there's any debris that maybe it was not letting the charger plugged in. But there's a little bit of dust bunnies in there. Overall the phone looks pretty good. condition besides that. So yeah, so there's a little bit of dust bunnies in there. Let's just clean that up. Like I always say, always have your station clean.
What's your first time having your station clean?
Anywho, what's so?
You.
Okay. Now we are going to plug it in. Okay. Again, it was brought in because it didn't want to turn on, but weird. The battery is showing. Very sus. We're gonna wait a few minutes and see if it charges. So while it does that, how's everybody doing? Lil Soso. Everybody remembers Lil Soso, my little helper. Say hi.
Hi.
We only see one of your eye.
And now I'm 9.
Yeah, now she's 9. She turned 9 in October.
Also, if you watch her videos that she posted on Fortnite, she hasn't been posting a lot because she was a bit busy. So, which I'm gonna do next. If you also see the video, my brother, if you saw the kettle that had a 9, I'm 9. Yeah. Also, me and Soso on our spare time, we have been playing Fortnite. So if you want to follow us, you can do that. And I was just about to say that. The YouTube name. Ooh. Just say it. Good girl. Well, it's gonna be linked, down below or somewhere. It's gonna be linked.
But it's Chicks versus Gaming, and you can follow us there in our game adventure in Fortnite or Roblox or Minecraft.
She doesn't want to play Roblox or Minecraft anymore. She's just obsessed with Fortnite. So no more Roblox or Minecraft. Cause I always ask her to even play Minecraft. She says, no, or even Fortnite. It's cool. I like it. But you need to experience more of your life and more games. Different instead of your whole entire life. Okay, well.
But yeah, I'll leave that information there. You can see our game progress, in the other channel. So yeah, so it's not just repairs. We play games, and I download them. So all right, so I just saw.
You sure you download them? You're always busy.
Okay, I'm back to work.
Okay.
She wants something. What does she want?
I want to play.
I know you want to play. I want to play too. But I guess that will happen because this video was very short and I already fixed this phone. I mean, look at here. I was having my little gadgets to check to see, why it's not charging up or why it's not turning on, you know what I'm saying? And then I had my little ICC Pro ready to see, I was ready to check what was going on before we test it out. By the way, I did make a review of this ICC Pro. You can check it out. It's in one of the other videos. I might make another video, more updated one, I guess. I haven't really had the need to use it. Like, I wanted to use it right now, but I couldn't. So, But anyways, thanks. Okay, so yeah, so I was ready to use my gadgets, but I mean, it looks like it's turning on. It's at 7. I don't know if it's up. Okay, so I mean, flashlight's working. And it's working fine. It's charging. So it says January 22, but it's not January 22. Today is February the what's today? February. I don't even know what today is. So what today is? Today is February the 11th. So that's probably just means when it stopped working. I don't know. They haven't updated, I guess. But in my, I am using the iPhone 13 box and cable. So maybe they used the wrong cable. I don't know. Because that could be another thing. You know, for the newer phones, you kind of actually have to use, you know, the original cables, or not the cheap ass kind cables. Don't buy the cheap ass kind cables, okay? For the newer phones, that kind of really needs to stick to the original cables as much as possible, or at least a really good aftermarket box and cable, but a really good one, because you know it's working, so it's fixed. So that's the end of this video. So
Bye.
we'll let the customer know. We'll let them know the good news. The phone is fixed already. And guess what? They don't have to pay anything. And it's fixed. And it has no cracks in it. Well, besides the back. But that's still pretty good. They just need to put a pretty good case. But besides that, it's working. So, cool. So that's it, guys. And I guess I'll see you till the next time. This was really quick. So I gotta say adios to everybody. And, I don't know. Let me know down below what you think of this video, because it was really pretty fast. And, y'all got to see my face and So's face. So, yeah. Bye. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification for to get notified for any videos. Also, don't forget to check me and So's new channel for the gaming channel, Chicks versus Gaming, and I also will leave that information there. And yeah, so I'll see you on the next video. Bye. I hope it's not fixed, because this means that it would be a fast video and I would have to say bye to you guys already. And also because I'm be like, damn, I'm good, right? No, just kidding.